Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is gonna be the video why I'm not a fan of patching up the tubes. Now a couple of days ago here in Canada, we had a really scorching heat warning, and I'll let you know what's happening here. Hopefully the camera can catch it. Now you see this glue thing here is starting to give in. On the other side, it's so, but even there, I'm starting to see, there's also another leak somewhere at the bottom. Now, I even tried with my very effective new pump, and guess what? It wouldn't hold air at all. So the lesson would be here. I love to throw in a brand new tube in there, and then not worry because summers here can be short, and that's the negative. So you always want to have a brand new tube in there. Like, I think this is temporarily to get you home, but definitely not a good idea to keep it for a couple of summers, especially now when we have heat warnings in effect. And that's pretty much that. So I just want to show you that this one has been done pretty okay, but you see it's starting to fail. Hope you found this interesting and useful. There you go.